Welcome back, darlings. This week's video is all about this, the amazing Garage Therapy Sigma V3. Now there's loads of other reviews out there, but none of them are quite like mine because I've used it like a drying aid. It's worth watching this one. Alright, so drying aid. At the end of June, I think it's like the 29th, I put this on the van. What you're going to watch first is me doing that. I did it kind of like a vlog style thing as I was recording it just to see what my thoughts were. It's now November, it's early November, and the week after I applied this on the van, I then put it on the car. So you're going to see how it is held up, more on the car because that's done way more mileage and it's been washed more times. So we're going to see how it's held up. I tell you though, it is what, 1, 2, 3 and a bit months, and it's still going. As a drying aid. That's crazy.
Okay, so Garage Therapy Sigma V3 can be used many different ways. I'm going to try it as a drying aid. So it's kind of like a QD plus, you know, a bit more boost to the protection. New trigger. There you go, a couple of spritzes. So I know this will dilute down the product. Get it. But it is a topping product generally. And the instructions say that for best results, use it on top of the Alpha Wax or the, what's the other one they've got? Yeah, at least it comes in the clear bottle, the black label. God, I can't remember. Anyway, so I've thought I want to use it just like this because I can do with adding a little bit of protection. I like a drying aid. And I just wanted to see. It smells nice, very slick under here when I'm drying. Let's see. Oh yeah, super slick. I'm swapping over to a different side of the towel. Wow, that is incredibly slick. Now the reason I'm doing this is if you get that sort of ease of use, it gives you a lovely bit of gloss, you get 2 to 3 weeks worth of protection out of it, winner. This is really important to me. I'm just like, it's generally like a whole trigger spray across a panel, so misting it down. So I've got it on quite fine, not much of a jet. Interested to see what it's like on the glass here, because it could streak it. I'll tell you what's going on very easily. And now I know this is a silver car, so streaking is gonna be hard to see, but you know, you can see it with some products when you've applied it. You can just see it on the panel. I'm not seeing it here. So you over. You see it's super slick. So can you use Sigma V3 as a drying aid? Oh yeah. God, it feels incredible. Yeah, really slick. I can tell you one thing though, whilst everything else has been wet, that roof has dried out because I left it to last, because step up. So, give this a go, shall we? Dry pan on now. You're about halfway across, quite a few spritz in there. I am using the wet drying towel that I used to apply the rest of it. All right, which, you know, is probably not the best the best towel for applying a buffing. So, hey, if it works, then that's a good thing. So, I'll tell you what though. Just a quick buff with the other side. Oh yeah, I can feel where I put it on. Super slick. And then that's it. I haven't got it. Yeah, wow. Well, that was easy. Oh. That's brilliant. So I didn't use V2 because there were so many reports of it being really grabby and difficult. I asked lots of people liked V1, but the characteristics of V2 sounded pretty good. So this V3 has actually done what they said it was going to do.
So as I said, I went and put it on my car, so fast forward a week and this is what happened. So I put it on the day before, came out the day after and saw it raining. Look at this beading. The hydrophobics are insane. I'm really impressed with this. It's almost like ceramic-like. Right, so when I put it on the van, it was the end of June. Now it is the first week of October. It hasn't done massive mileage, but it lives outside. It's been sat outside and all of that. This is just pre-rinse. So I'm doing the pre-wash foam being rinsed off here. Look at how much this is zinging along. But the one you really want to see is how it's performing on the car. Now, this is about 4 months after application. So I applied it at the beginning of July. This is now the beginning of November. It's been washed about 3 times in between. It's done probably a couple of thousand miles in that time as well. It's been pretty mucky and muddy. The pre-wash has always been something strong, like Garage Therapy Snow V2 or Kotkami VB in one point. So yeah. This is how it's held up, and you can see that the top part of the door, the shoulders and stuff, doing really well still, very beady, and the bottom parts, that's where it's really started to drop off, but it's still sheeting incredibly well, so it is still being effective. That, for a wet applied sealant, I think is incredible, and I can't think of another product that does it as well. For a £15 product, that is incredible, especially when it was applied wet as a drying aid, and that car's done a reasonable amount of mileage. The van hasn't done much, which is why I haven't dwelled on that too much, but the car has done a bit. And yeah, okay, it's sheeting now, but it's still repelling. You know, it's not as slick as it was, and it's not as glossy or it's not as slick under the hand, but it's still working. That's super impressive. I'd recommend that to the house. Apparently, some of my subscribers have been using it as well. They've done it with Sigma V2, which was a bit problematic on the buff and a bit streaky, a bit grabby. It worked very well for that, so that's a pro tip for you as well. Thanks very much for watching. Go and buy some of this. You're not going to be disappointed.